Yeah, so yeah, I guess this is welcome to Winnipeg. It's me down here, mud. Here's my dog Sunny Day doing his thing. He's got his mask on right now. Some also actually. He looks like he can play for the Winnipeg Blue Bombers back in the 50s. we get a penalty every time. Every time they kick the ball to him. For biting. Yes. Okay. Yeah, just having a lot of fun. Just walking around. We're gonna go check out the Chancey Day, Community Day today. We're here at the ledge. We're gonna take a river walk. See what's happening. See if there's anybody there. So yeah, stick around. This is some of the river walk. Up there are the stairs. Behind that is the ledge. We're gonna walk this way. The river's all frozen over. The Forks is down now. Let's go. Come on, Sonny. A lot of fun. Don't matter if it's cloudy. I always have a sunny day. Hey, oh look at him. He's tangled in his. He's tangled as usual. Just being a puppy. I never tried to train him. Never. He's good the way he is. I like him the way he is. He doesn't know how to play fetch yet. Whoa! Probably because he's too busy having fun. He doesn't want to let it go. He's tug of war guy. So yeah, we're just. Whoa! It's slippery today. Wow! Wow! And I got this guy pulling me everywhere. We might have to take a different route. So yeah, I'll let you know when we get there. Whoa! It's slippery. So hang in there.